Where do I begin? First of all,
On a personal level, I care about the environment because I'm an outdoorsy person. I think nature is really fantastic. I love hiking, I love being outside. I love being outside.
Love nature.
I find nature incredibly calming. I find it incredibly peaceful.
what better place to play? And I like to play the outdoors.
It gives me a sense of grounding and peace and connection to the world.
Being outside puts you in the fresh air factor element.
I love kayaking and I love seeing everything change, and it's just so beautiful to be outside.
Enjoying the fresh air, especially in hiking. I think I'm a different person when I'm outside. I'm happier and
Being outdoors is really good for your mental health, for one thing.
It grounds us, it centers us.
And some of my favorite memories are doing things outside.
Every morning I get up and I go out my front stoop and I take 10 deep breaths, and it just sets me off for the day.
I love the smells. I love what I smell. I love what I see. I love what I hear.
It's beautiful. It's awesome to explore. It's awesome to see so many different ecosystems, the different species that live in them.
My favorite place in the world is a national park.
All about nature.
it's a sort of transformative space.
Totally find your zen.